Ever wondered about the powerful little chapter in the Quran called Surah Al-Kafiron? It's short, just 6 verses, but its message is incredibly profound. Let's dive into its beautiful meaning. Revealed in Makkah, this surah came down at a critical time. The leaders of Quraysh approached the Prophet, peace be upon him, with a proposal. They suggested, let's make a deal. You worship our idols for a year, and we'll worship your God for a year. They were looking for a compromise, a middle ground. But in matters of faith, there can be no mixing truth with falsehood. So Allah revealed this decisive chapter as a clear and final response. The surah begins with a direct command. Say, O disbelievers. The term Al-Kafirun here isn't a blanket insult to all non-Muslims. It specifically addresses those leaders of Quraysh who were actively and persistently rejecting the message of pure monotheism. It's a statement of identity, not hostility. Then the core declaration is made. I do not worship what you worship. This is an absolute refusal to participate in their idol worship, both now and in the future. It's a complete rejection of their polytheistic practices and beliefs. The next verse says, Nor are you worshippers of what I worship. This points out a crucial fact. Even if they claim to believe in a supreme God, their worship was corrupted by associating partners with Him, which makes it unacceptable. True worship of Allah requires purity and sincerity, free from any form of shirk. The surah then repeats the sentiment for powerful emphasis. Nor will I be a worshipper of what you worship, nor will you be worshippers of what I worship. This repetition isn't redundancy. It drives the point home with absolute certainty. It's like saying, let me be crystal clear. I will never, ever compromise on my belief in the one true God, and your path of polytheism is fundamentally different from my path of monotheism. Finally, the surah concludes with one of the most famous verses in the Quran. For you is your religion, and for me is my religion. This is not a statement that all religions are equally valid. Far from it. It's a declaration of disassociation, a peaceful but firm boundary. It means, we have our separate paths. I will not force my beliefs upon you, and I will never dilute my own. It establishes the principle of peaceful coexistence without ever compromising on the core truth of Islam. So, Surah Al-Kafirun teaches us to be firm and unapologetic in our faith, while respecting others' right to choose their own path. It's a powerful lesson in conviction and clarity. Thanks for watching. If you found this reflection helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.